Today we're going to show you how to install an outlet over your fireplace. Here we go.
So we're installing an outlet today in this fireplace. This is masonry bit on a hammer drill, and I'm just drilling small holes so that I can punch it out to the size of the box. You see behind here, there's lots of room. But if you look on this side over here, you can see there's plenty of access. You see here with the flashlight, there's actually access up there. It's hard to see, sorry guys. But there's access up that way. I punched a small hole first and then shined a flashlight to make sure that I was in the right place. And of course I did some measuring beforehand to make sure that I'd land in the right place. So to get off a stone like this, they just kind of, you can hammer them a couple times and then pry a little bit, and then they'll just pop right off. And now that I've got the box size just about drilled, I'll be able to fish wire down below. Then be able to mount this TV right here nice and clean. So hope that's a helpful tip to somebody. And then just for this house has a basement, so we can fish straight down. You can't see it, but we can fish straight down the hole to the basement to grab power. We could even tie in over here. There's going to be a desk over here, but I want to keep it clean and go straight down. And I'm going to actually put an access panel on this hole here so that if they ever need to get in here again, they can. So this will just go right on here. It can be painted. It'll be hidden because it's on this side of the chimney. So you get the picture. It can be super clean. The last little bit there. And then I just grab some pliers now and I'll get that nice and tight so that it'll fit. But before I do that, I'm gonna grab my glow stick and just make sure I can pull my wire, fish it through.
It's stuck behind the metal thing. Up a little, honey.
Got it?
Yeah, just real slow. Okay, I'm waiting till the end gets in my fingers. I'm gonna pull it down.
I'm going slow. Did you miss it?
Go back down. Should I grab it again with this one?
Got it?
What are you doing?
I'm recording this for the YouTubers. This helps people.
I can't reach it right now.
Oh, come on. Don't pull it too far. Hold on. So we got it fished up there. Just a little finagling. There's some creepy crawlies in this hole. Where are you at, Jen?
So it's up to your left.
Oh, come on. My left? How far?
Yep.
Oh, there it is. Go up. Okay, look at that.
Don't pull it any further.
I won't. That's perfect. All right. Love it. Over and out.